In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require a phone number at checkout in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, your customers won't be able to complete an order without adding a phone number, which is really helpful for shipping updates, delivery issues, and support. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin the way you normally do. Once you're in, you should see the main admin homepage with your orders, products, and other menu items on the left. This is the central place where you manage your store. From here, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the important configuration options for your store. Anytime you want to change how your store behaves, especially things like checkout, payments, or shipping, you'll usually find it inside the Settings area. After clicking Settings, you'll see a list of different sections such as store details, payments, and so on. What we want to adjust is related to how customers complete their orders. So go ahead and click on Checkout. This will open the page where you can customize what information is required from customers when they place an order. On the Checkout Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled something like Customer Contact Method. This section controls how customers can be contacted about their orders. By default, many stores are set to email only, or they might treat the phone number as optional. You want to change this so that customers must provide a phone number. In this section, select the option that mentions phone number or email. This setting makes sure the phone number field is treated as a required part of the contact details at checkout. Take a moment to read the small description under the option so you understand exactly how your checkout will behave. Requiring a phone number can improve communication with customers, but it also means they must be comfortable sharing that information. So it's a good idea to reassure them in your store policies that their data is kept secure. Once you've selected the phone number or email option, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually in the top or bottom right corner of the page, and click it. Shopify will then apply these new checkout settings to your store. That's it. Now, when customers go through your checkout, they'll be required to provide a phone number